Well, hello. I've just come back from my round 2 of auditions for BBC Country and Warwickshire Radio. It's part of this New Voices campaign to find like a new presenter. It was like 2.5, nearly 3 hours. It was intense. It was absolutely intense. It was we had to present, they had to hear our voices, we had to plan a production, and then we had to stand in front of the camera and have a minute to talk about ourselves and why we had to introduce ourselves, say where we're from, and say why we should be the new presenter. And you had a minute, and I think mine took up 26 seconds. And I was like, oh crap. So that was the only thing I didn't do too well on. Very, very tired. One of the great things though, I had a really big writer's block, but I've come back and I've been editing My Looks Black 3. It's nearly finished. Just gone past the halfway point. I'm really excited. I think I'm going to try and release it for Christmas. Yeah, I've got so many things I need to do. I'm going to go down the boatyard tomorrow and take Leela with me. But until then, it's a good night from me. Sweet dreams. I'm going to have a cup of tea and carry on editing. Love you. I hope I get it. Ooh. We're going to the boat. We're going to the boat. Go to the boat. I love her head. Boat. We're going to the boat. Yes. Oh. Right. All the stuff's been removed. This is where some of the wood's got to be replaced. Why are these all blocked? Oh, that spider's gone to work. Heavy rain. So yeah, good space. I'm just trying to imagine what it's going to be like. Progress. All that. I'm glad we removed it because it looks like a bloody state. Morning. Right, John, what we're planning to do?
Well, they've been resealed, the windows on the far side, but not properly. The way they've cut the sealant's not good. So we're going to take all the windows out, and then we're going to put them back in with proper sealant and see how we get on with that. We're just going to check what sort of screws we need, check we've got enough. We're going to do them one at a time because the great British weather, we never know what's going to happen next. So here we go. That's not into anything. Spinning. See that? So it's not, they're not catching on anything at all.
Why are they leaking?
So they're not biting on anything. So
Is the thread broken or is it just not attached?
No, they're just held on with that sticker flex there. That sticky tape. Brendan, come and have a look here.
How's your boat project going?
My boat project's going very well.
Oh, has she got Matilda or is it Madeline?
Borderline.
Oh, I was very close.
Borderline. But the engine was seized, but we freed the engine up, and now it ain't working. So we might have to take it all apart and then rebuild the whole thing, recondition it.
Either that or you're going to have to pedal.
Or pedal. Or pedal. Paddles.
Get a horse, buy a horse.
So we're pushing out the screws from the side to make as little damage as possible. I say little damage, the window might fall out.
There we
we go.
Do you want me to lift it from...
Ready to go.
Way! That was so easy to take out. That was ridiculous.
Easy to take out.
Yeah, this one out, that one out, not that long ago.
It's
fucking taped and the tape ain't great.
No.
That was fantastic.
That's good, isn't it?
So, next you're just taking this off.
Oh, that seemed pretty easy as well.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it's just like so satisfying and
Quite satisfying.
yeah,
It's a lot easier than the silicone as well.
yeah. I don't know, things with this boat seems like a lot more straightforward because with Papageno, yeah, that was a good one. Go on, get that one in one strip as well. Oh, fail.
Pop out easy enough.
That was easier than popping your cherry. That was so easy.
But we're going to clean it up.
Yeah.
What I did notice is there's quite a gap here, so we're going to have to put some filler again inside.
Okay.
But while we've got good weather,
Yeah.
we're on a roll. So
To be continued. Window. No window.
drill throughs.
The weather has turned. Priority is getting one of the windows done, sealed. I'm going to sweep the rest out inside, and then tomorrow we're going to carry on with the rest of the windows and do the floor. Exciting. Does anyone else get nervous when they have to climb up one of these? My flexibility has gone downhill. I'm out of practice. This is the fun part. Getting all this. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, yes. I feel a bit like an archaeologist doing this, or like a sculptor. But I want the floor smooth of all this crap before we lay the new floor down, and it probably doesn't matter, but it matters to me. Get all this stuff up. Let's carry on. Oh, it's lovely. What? So, wanted to show you some of the behind the scenes of what gets done here. So this is one of the projects at the moment. It's going through a whole beautiful paint job. Leela, out, out, good girl. It's not loud in here because she'll fall down. But we've got our mate down here and he does all the paintwork. Look at this. How big is it? 60 something foot?
60 foot this one, yeah.
Oh,
Barber's pole.
oh, bloody hell.
Darren's just painted. You
Wow.
can step over that. And you can see where he's painted with the sign lights on the other side. Step over there, Lily. Be careful.
Wow. You've outdone yourself. That's amazing.
Right, isn't it? Quite nice colours together.
Yeah, it is.
Quite classy.
You do it all freehand, right?
Yeah,
You
I just
don't-
taped up the top and bottom lines and shade. I could put it all in by hand, but it just gives you a clean resin. It's a bit quicker. Yeah.
Good God. I'd love to have this skill. Oh.
With your hands, isn't it?
So is this like a font that you've practiced or like a font that you've just...
I've written that God knows how many times.
Practice makes perfect.
Huh? Maybe. See, that's it worked. Good work, isn't it?
So we've got one window sorted. Well, I say sorted, the window's not in, but you're picking up what I'm putting down, eh? Got rid of most of this crap, leaving it this side because it seems pretty solid and it doesn't really matter, it was just everywhere and looked crappy, so I wanted to get rid of all the shite. But it's coming along. So that's a day done. No. She's wrecked my car with her muddy footprint, so I pulled down the window so she could get some fresh air, because whenever I go on the boat she's just lying underneath it in the mud and the rest of the time she's playing with the other dog. And she's been jumping out the window, unbeknownst to me. So I'm gonna go home now, have a cup of tea, and tonight me and my sister are gonna go see A Midsummer's Night Dream, which I'm really excited about. Because I love Shakespeare. So, time to go home. All the best.